How to fix X or Twitter login error on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. So launch your settings app, navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, switch between network, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also, you can enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. With this, your problem might be resolved. Next thing you want to do is check server status of X. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website like Down Detector. After graph appears, you can check whether there are some outages or not. If you found out any server outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved. Likewise, next thing you want to do is update your X app. For that, launch your App Store. Now search for the app X. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these solutions, you might be able to use X in your device. If none of these solutions work, completely delete X app from your device. For that, press and hold on the app, select Remove App, select Delete App, click on Delete. Then navigate to App Store, search for the app X, and then install it. So these are some fixes for X or Twitter login error on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.